Hello, my name's Sean Walker. I'm Customer Support Engineer for ViaLite. And today I'd just like to take you through connecting to our monitoring and control card. Today, in this instance, I've got our HRC-3 card. And as you can see, I have an RJ45 cable connected to the Ethernet port. And I have a serial cable connected into our serial port. For the HRC-3 card, the serial port uses a micro USB connection. So it's just simply a micro USB to USB cable. And both of these are connected into my laptop. So in order to access the GUI and see all of the information, you'll need the IP address and you need to open up a web browser such as Chrome and type the IP address into the address bar. If you don't know the IP address of the system, or if you need to check any other information out within the serial menu, we can access the serial menu using PuTTY, and we can access the COM port for our system to see the serial menu. If you don't know the COM port, open up the device manager on your PC and this will indicate which COM ports are in use. In this case, COM port 9. So if I type COM 9 into my PuTTY window, then this will bring up the command line window. Once you have the command line window, if it is blank like this, just press enter and it will bring up the ViaLiteHD header. And then you just need to use the login and password, which is available in the handbook. Now, it depends which level of access you require as to what control you need within the GUI. In this instance, I'm going to access the full menu. And as you can see there, it says type help or question mark for a list of commands. So if you just pop a question mark in there, this will give you all of the commands that are available to you. Here we can set the IP system, the IP address and the network information, but we can also interrogate the system information. So in this instance, we're going to do that. Sysinfo will tell you all of your network parameters. So as you can see in there, this tells you our IP address, which in this instance is 219. So once you know that, take a note of the IP address, exit from the serial menu when you're completed to come out properly from the system, and then type that IP address into your menu bar or your address bar in your web browser. Again, use the level of access password you require and access the web GUI. And as you can see, this brings up a representation. Now you can go into the individual cards and you can see all of the individual data for those cards, monitoring information, alarm information, and for setting up your gains. You can also access the HRC-3 card, so you can see some of the M&C details. And also you can go in and set the time and date and do some soft reboots and some other commands within there. So hopefully this gives you all of the access you need to connect to the HRC-3 card. Please have a look on the website. There's more detail on there about connecting to all of our M&C equipment, and there's more information in the handbooks and the data sheets.